Here's how to get an Amazon Prime education discount. So if you're a student, or even if you're between 18 and 24 years old, you can actually get Amazon Prime free for 6 months and then half off after that. So if you don't qualify for that, you can still get Amazon Prime free for 30 days. Or with government assistance, you can see this link right over here. You can actually get Amazon Prime for half off. But if you are between 18 and 24 years old, or in this case, a student, you can get Amazon Prime free for 6 months and then half off after that. So it's $7.50 a month after that versus $15 a month full price for as long as you're a student. So that's the education discount. You get 5% cash back. You get $0 food deliveries with Grubhub Plus, as well as unlimited streaming with Amazon Prime Video and Amazon Prime Music. And then also, of course, free fast delivery. There's other deals and exclusive offers that you'll see on the page. The links are in the description for this, by the way. But basically, you get a discount on Amazon Prime, even if you've already done this 6-month trial. So link in the description. That is the Amazon Prime education discount.